Magandang hapon po ng August 12, 2024 Monday. At ito po ang mga resulta ng 5 p.m. draws ng 2D Lotto at 3D Lotto. 2D Lotto 5 p.m. draw result ngayong hapon ng August 12, 2024 Monday. Ito po ang mga sumusunod na numero na lumabasan para sa 2D Lotto 5 p.m. 3D Lotto 5 p.m. draw result ngayong hapon ng Monday, August 12, 2024. Ito po ang mga sumusunod na number na lumabasan para sa 3D Lotto 5 p.m. 'See you again later for 9 p.m. draw result of Grand Lotto 655, Mega Lotto 645, 4D Lotto, 3D Lotto, and 2D Lotto. Here are the tonight's jackpot price estimates of Mega Lotto 645 and Grand Lotto 655 for August 12, 2024, Monday. Thank you for watching this 5 p.m. video for August 12, 2024, Monday. Don't forget to subscribe and hit notification bell for more Lotto result update.